Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AliExpress coupon code. It's really simple and easy. So if you have the application, you can open the AliExpress application or you can just go with your Google. In the Google, you can search for AliExpress and then log in with your account. So just search for this AliExpress here and then you have to log in. Now just log in with the AliExpress account. And here if you tap on this account option in the bottom right corner, you can see these coupons. Just simply tap on these coupons. In here you will have get coupon codes option, so you just need to simply tap on this get coupons, tap on it, and AliExpress give you free coupons code. So once you find your coupons codes right here, you just need to simply select the items. After selecting item, you can go ahead and tap on this add to cart, go with the payment method, and after going with the payment method, on the last of your process, which is place order, you will have place order option. Once you go with place order, you will be able to add your payment method and then your coupon code. It will ask you if you have your coupon code or not. You can just simply add your coupon code, and after that you can tap on place order. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.